Hey guys, I'm back. Part 3 of my video. Sorry, I had to kind of like rush at the end when I was finishing off my lipstick because there was someone knocking at the door and I had to just rush and go answer the door. And it was some stupid solar power people. I don't know. But I just wanted to show you guys my finished look. So that's what the finished look looks like. I hope you enjoyed my makeup video and please tune in for any future videos. Right now, this is like my favorite color. I love this lipstick. Look at that. And yeah, you could probably do everything that I did much faster than I did if I hadn't been talking through it and showing you guys all the products. But again, I just wanted to recap what I used. I used the Tarteist Pro Glow to Go. I used the Flor Mar 402 Pink Flamingo. And I used the Tarte Medium Brown Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Mousse. And it does feel like mousse on your eyes. I used the Smashbox Primer Water and the Photo Finish Primer. I used the Be Bright Illuminating Concealer by Kokie to clean up my eyebrows. I used the Morphe eyeshadow, the Morphe foundation and the concealer, and the foundation is in the shade F2.60 matte. And the concealer is in the shade C225. C225. And then my mascara was the Lashes Lights Camera Lashes. And my blush was Anastasia Blush Trio. And please be light with your brush. Don't go heavy-handed like me, because then you'll have to be cleaning it up a little bit with your sponge like I was doing. Then a recap of my brushes. I was using the Luxie 249 dual-ended brush. I was using the MAC 212 brush to clean up my eyebrows. The Luxie 239 Precision Shader. I kind of didn't really go back and use that one, I think, because I think I did a pretty good job of just shading it with the other dual-ended brush, but I had that one on hand in case I did want to use it. The Tarte eyebrow brush and the spoolie, it's double-ended, and the Sephora Sephora brand highlight illuminator magnetic brush to do my highlight. Okay, so that was everything, guys, and that's my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and tune in next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Hopefully I can do a nice haul at Dollar General today. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.